Hi, my name is David Pattishaw with the Davey Tree Expert Company, and today we are talking about the importance of planning a walkthrough for your property this spring with a tree and landscape professional. Creating a comprehensive grounds maintenance plan can be a daunting task, but we've got the solution. Take a walk. Springtime offers a perfect opportunity to plan a walkthrough. Our experts can help create a clear picture of how to budget for and maintain your green spaces. Spring walkthroughs encourage property managers to learn more about their landscapes by having one of our experts check the trees, plants, and stormwater basins or bioswales that may be on the property. When you schedule a walkthrough, you'll learn the state of your green space, landscaping, and other outdoor areas following the winter season, how to prioritize routine maintenance work, how to create a proactive maintenance cycle to address potential landscape issues before they occur, how to budget for tree care, including proactive pruning and at-risk removals, as well as tips and tricks to beautify your green space based on your budget. Getting a jump start on spring can adequately prepare your commercial property, ensuring it receives the attention it needs to thrive as the growing season emerges full force. Give us a call today to schedule your spring walkthrough and property assessment.